Hello? I don't think you have any earthly concept of how excited I am right now. For those who don't know me, hi, my name is Katie Carson. I'm the Duchess of Suds here at Royalty Soaps, and today I have a very special box that I purchased, I want to say like 8 weeks ago, and it just got here. It is the NerdECrafter Not Another Crap Kit. It's in collaboration with Smart Art, and let me tell you, I don't know anything about it. All I know is that I saw on the NerdECrafter Instagram stories that she was putting out a craft kit. I knew as soon as I saw that. I was like, this gonna be a good kit. I know sister wouldn't put out a kit that was crappy. And here we go. I want to try it. I want to unbox it. I want to be completely surprised, and I want to support NerdECrafter. Hi, Jackie. I want to support you. I want to give you my money. And it's been sitting on my counter for like a week at this point. I haven't peeked. It's been so hard. I finally get to open it. We're gonna try to do something inside here. Now I know, I normally do soap making. That's my craft. But believe it or not, I actually like doing all sorts of different handicrafts. We've done squishies over here before. We do candles. We've done a lot of kids kits. I like to try new things. I like to do embroidery. I've done quilling in the past. I like baking. I like cookie decorating. I'm not a one-trick pony. And today we're gonna try art with this craft kit. What do, look at, hold on. Look at this cute wrapping paper. Oh my gosh, it's so professional. A guide, I guess, a complete guide. Okay, I'm not gonna look at the guide yet. We have little stickers. Oh, wait, no. Are these temporary tattoos? Are they stickers? What are they? Holy car, look at all of this. Oh, a sanding knife? I thought it was an X-Acto knife. No, it's a sanding knife. Use dry or wet with water, oil, acetone, or kerosene. Whoa. What exactly are we sanding? Is this a silicone mold? Ooh, getting so excited I'm shaking. Is that an X-Acto? There is an X-Acto knife. Oh my gosh, what did I pay for this? Like, for all that's in here, I'm shook. A little tiny powder, it's a little. Wow, UV resin from Sophie and Toffee? I'm getting the whole luxury, like, NerdECrafter experience. Ooh, epoxy sculpting. I've never even heard of half of this stuff. This is so cool. And a whole bunch of little things. Ooh, and a cutting thingy. Ooh, is that a flashlight? Oh, I bet to cure the UV resin, which I've never used before. Ooh, oh wow. A scrapey spatula. Color me impressed. This is the most stuff I have ever unloaded from a box that size. Now what shall we do? Let us look in the complete guide. Oh, make your character? I get to design my own character? Exclusive mold, casting compound, oh man, this is kind of intensive. I don't know if I'm a good enough crafter for this. This is laid out so pretty. Okay, so multiple steps. Number 1, make your character. Then make your character's eyeballs with resin and then add clay elements. What am I gonna make? What character am I going to design? Should I make a soap-themed character? Maybe I should pick a soap that was like a bestseller and then make a little person based on that. I don't know. Maybe I'll figure that out after I get the basics done, which is just to create the body. So I'm going to separate out things that are pertinent to right now. I'm gonna put the rest of the items back in the box. Okay, I have all of the pertinent information here, including some paper towels. And here's all I have to say. If I make anything in this video that turns out semi-even good, I mean, I will say if I can get a character to come out of this, it is all due to the kit being that good and the instructions being that easy. Because as I was looking through, I realized besides the literal paint, I've never worked with any of these mediums before. I haven't ever worked with any sort of like casting compound. I've never worked with resin that is cured with a light. And I've also never done like the Sculpey clay, that type of clay. I've only used the little ones. All that to say, if this even turns into anything that resembles a character, it's because the kit is that good, not because I'm so skilled. Let's take it all out of the wrapping, shall we? Even the board is branded. Now that is something I'm familiar with, which is branding. And I'm so impressed. Look at this. It's so cute. It's so tiny. Ooh, does this attach like, I've just computed all the things and it now makes total sense. Prepare the mold. We must lock the seams. Okay, I think I got it. Whew, all right. Rubber bands. Okay, now measure 200 milliliters of plaster. Okay, a little bit more. Do not compress the powder, it says. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put it in the bowl. Okay, now it's time to get the water. Okay, Katie, deep breath in and out. It's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. Nothing's going to go wrong. You have followed all the instructions. It'll be fine. Measuring thing. Oh no. I wonder if I added water too fast. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going. Okay. I think it's all mixed in. One thing I'm going to do is kind of tap the bowl because I know there's a lot of little air bubbles in there. Then I have to pour it in through here. Oh gosh. I hope this works. How do I know when it's full? Oh, I guess that's how. Oh no! Oh no! I hope it's in there completely and hasn't like left any bubbles. Oh, but rats! Okay. Oh no. Tap, tap, tap. Whoa! Good thing I didn't care about this shirt. I mean, I've done what I can do. I have some extra left. I wonder if I can... I have just the mold for this. Hold on. I just got these molds in from Fernwood. It's little frogs, and then I got this koi fish. So while our little soap person is sitting and hardening, I'm going to attempt to do the eyes with the UV resin. And because I've never used UV resin and I've read through all the instructions, I am going to do one eye at a time. Okay, so add resin to the eye you want your eyes to be. Do not fill it up all the way, about 90%. Ugh, I chipped my nail. It'll be worth it. I can feel it. Here's to hoping this even works, right? Oh wait, my flashlight. No! Does it need batteries? I am so ridiculous. Don't be dumb like me. Put a battery in it. I don't know why, but I'm surprised it worked. Let's do another. All right, and off we go again. It's so clear. It's crazy. Boop. Ha ha! Okay, so I put my eyeballs back in because apparently I wasn't supposed to take them out. And I'm going to paint the little black circle in the middle of the eyeballs. My hands are so shaky. Guys, I made the eyeballs. Look at them! They're so cute. So I did try to follow as best I could the NerdECrafter tutorials. So I tried to watch a few more of them so that I kind of had a better idea of what was going on. These are so precious. I really like making cute things, so my character is definitely going to be on the cute side. I'm not 100% sure that they're completely dry, so I'm just gonna set them as is right there. So it's been an hour. I think I'm ready to try and unmold it. I guess, oh, okay, okay. Oh gosh. Oh, it's warm. Should it be warm? I guess I should break off these little bits around the edges. Ooh, that's satisfying. Oh my gosh, it's so It's so cute.
Hi. So, it's been like a week. Here's the deal. I learned so much this past week just doing this kit, and I just learned that I don't know so much and that this really does take time. It's just like the little squishies that Mariah Elizabeth makes. So Jackie says in her NerdECrafter videos, like, take your time, enjoy it as a craft. And I'm trying to do that, but that doesn't make it super, super great for filming because this is definitely not a tutorial and because I've never done it before. So at this point, I have crafted a mushroom staff that my character is gonna hold just like this. And I know I have to bake it. And then I have also attempted to craft like a little mushroom hat. It's I need to add some more to the top. I think I'm gonna like kind of twirl it and stuff. And this has just taken a long time. I also made all of these various resin pieces to put all over the body to look like the embeds in the Woodland Whimsy bars. So that's what I have to show for my work. I have thrown out multiple pieces. I haven't tried to bake anything yet and get him looking a little more finalized. I'll come back and show you that because otherwise we're gonna be here for like an hour.
I'm finished. Okay, so I know in this video I didn't show the painting or the sculpting, but I could tell that the video was getting pretty long. I'm not super good at those things, and I felt like you guys probably didn't want to watch me fumble around with a paintbrush for 15 minutes, which is what it would have ended up being. Now I'm just gonna show you the finished product. We'll skip to the good part. And don't laugh at me when I bring her out. Again, this is my first time doing this. Please be gentle, but here is my little finished character. Let me zoom you in so you can see her better. She looks like this. So I made all the little resin pieces using the Sophie and Toffee resin, and then I applied them using that epoxy sculpt. That's the quick sculpting stuff that just dries hard over like a 24-hour period. I did the same thing with her little eyeballs here, and then I painted the entire thing using all of the paints in the kit, and then some of the like glitter and stuff on the inside I had myself, and they're just from little biodegradable, eco-friendly glitter businesses. Okay, let me move her to the side so you can see her versus the soap. So we did sort of like a brown-green bottom with all the little dots, just like the inside of the bar, and then we have her little green head and face, and then we have the mushroom on top. So overall, I think it actually does kind of look like the soap, which makes me happy. And so because I wanted to do a little bit extra and create more than just the character, I did sculpt her like a little mushroom staff. I wasn't quite ready to take on something as big as wings. That was a little too intimidating, so we're just stuck with a staff to put in her hand that matches her little hat. And then I also made this little basket, which took more time than I care to admit, and I made a little mushroom that does have a stem. You can see every item in there is individual. They can all be taken out. A green apple, a red apple, and a little cupcake. And then if you remember the frogs that I decided to cast, I made her a little frog friend. And then I decided to do a galaxy frog as well. So he's just, you know, chilling out, being awesome. I feel like I accomplished my initial goal and hope, which was to create a character. Regardless of how good it looked, if I ended up with a character, I was gonna be pleased, and I was gonna have to give the kit a big thumbs up. Now, if the Not Another Crap kit is still in stock, I will leave it down below, and I will also leave links to the NerdECrafter YouTube channel so that you guys can check out Jackie. If you have never watched her before, she is hilarious. Like, 10 out of 10 S-tier YouTuber, definitely worth your time. If I ever create another character based on soap, I will try to include more parts of the process now that I'm a little bit more familiar with what I'm doing. And leave some name suggestions down below. I haven't named her. I couldn't think of what to name her. We need a good name. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure you do something fun for yourself today, whether that is watching
a video showing you how to make tiny baskets out of clay. I'll link the one that I watched down below. Or maybe you just want to go and watch yourself some NerdECrafter to wind down and relax. I don't really care what you do, just be sure you do something fun for yourself today. Thanks for watching. Or maybe we could make a new character every 2 months or something, and then at the end of the year we'll have 6 characters. That would be fun. I will see you guys later. Have an absolutely royal day, and bye for now. Meow!